Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about hardware and software co-design. I'm going to use a simple example program given by Altera, which neatly describes hardware and software co-design. That is programming the HPS and configuring the FPGA part. So what this code does is it performs a left shift and right shift. First, it left shifts the basically turns off one of the LED and left shifts it all the way till the end of the LED row, and then once it reaches the end, it does the right shift till it comes to the rightmost end. So it does this till 60 iterations are completed. Once that is done, it will be terminated. Um, so we can see the bit shift operation working on the LEDs, where both we can see both left shift and the right shift as well. I've already synthesized the RTL and compiled the C code. As you can see here, I've already connected my connected the board to my system. I'm using UART to communicate for the HPS and USB booster for the FPGA configuration. So first, let us configure our FPGA part. So once the FPGA has been configured, we don't see any movement on the LEDs since our C code or the software part is not yet running. Our software or the HPS is what generates the data, which is then read by the configurable part or the configurable logic and updates the LED. So let us go ahead and run our software. So once we run the software, immediately we'll be able to see the LEDs being shifted. There you go. See, as you can see, the LED is being turned off, and basically the turning of the LED is being shifted left. Once it reaches the left end, it starts shifting to the right. And this goes on for 60 iterations. Yep. So once the 60 iterations are completed, it will terminate itself. But we can see that the configurable part is still reading the last data and updating the LED accordingly. So since the software terminated, the memory block is no longer being updated from the software. So the FPGA part is reading the last known value and performing the logic computation based on that. So this is the execution of an example given by Terasek, where we learn about hardware and software co-design. So hope you learned something today. Thank you and have a great day.